Is your home pool a seasonal pool? However, long periods of inactivity can lead to issues like algae growth, accumulation of dust and dirt. It not only spoils the environment, but also requires money and effort for cleaning and maintenance. Moreover, the pool equipment can gradually deteriorate with prolonged idleness. 1. Maintain stable and comfortable water temperature. A pool heat pump can keep the water temperature around 28 degrees Celsius, allowing you to enjoy swimming even during chilly weather. In summer, you can adjust the water temperature to the most comfortable level, avoiding excessive heat. 2. Extend the lifespan of the pool. With a pool heat pump, your pool can operate year-round, reducing wear and tear caused by constant opening and closing. This effectively extends the lifespan of the pool. 3. Ensure water quality and hygiene. Stable water temperature helps to inhibit bacterial growth, and when combined with a filtration system, it improves water quality and hygiene. 4. Save on operational costs. Intelligent temperature control automatically adjusts according to weather conditions, preventing energy waste and reducing operational costs. Instead of going through the hassle of reopening an idle pool, consider installing an Alsavo pool heat pump. With a reliable heating system, your pool can operate continuously throughout the year, allowing for uninterrupted swimming enjoyment.